Let's take a look at a unique situation. I've got 6 teams in under 10 girls, and let's say some are under 9, some are under 10. And what I want to do is I want to have 2 groups of 3, and I want to let them play each other, play the other 2 teams in their group, and then give them a crossover game against the other group. But I don't want that game to count. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to let whoever has the best record in Group A, the 2 teams play each other for a championship, and then whoever has the best record in Group B play each other for a championship. So I'm going to find something close to that. I've got a 6-round robin with crossover, semifinal, and final. I'm going to click that, and it's going to show me the group. And we can see I've got my seeds, and the A teams play each other, the B teams play each other, and then I've got a crossover game. Now this isn't going to be exactly what I want because these games will count in this particular template, and I've got 2 semifinals and a final. But I'm going to select this, and I'm going to submit, and then I'll have my template, which isn't what I'm looking for, but it's close. So now I'm going to go to my admin screen, and I just clicked admin, and I'm going to go to the multiple rounds screen under the scheduling with manual schedule. So I click that, and I'm looking at what I've generated for my under 10 girls first division. So the first thing I'm going to do is take these crossover games. You know, seed A4 plays seed B3. I'm going to select that by clicking the plus. And I'm going to come down here and I'm going to select no to say no, I don't want this game to count for points. So I click update to save it, and then I'll do the same for the crossover game in the second round. Set points to no and click update. And finally the crossover game in the third round. Set points to no and click update. Now I don't need the final. I'm going to have 1 final in each round, so I'm going to delete the final round. And just click delete round, and then 5 goes away completely. And then I want to change these games. So this game is no longer going to be a semifinal. And so what I want to do is here we define our home team and away team. Now by points, we can either define it as a team and specify the team, by points, or by the winner or loser of a prior game. In this case, I want it by points, and I do want Group A first place, but the away team is going to be the Group A second place team, and this will be a final for my Group A. Points, of course, is no, and I'm going to save that. And now I'm going to go to my second game in the 4th round, and this is also going to be a final. And this game is going to be the Group B first place winner against the Group B second place winner, and no points, and update it. And now, as you can see, I have my groups. I have my crossover games with no points, and I have a final in each round. And I can add games if I want to. If I click here, I can add game and specify what round to add them to. And you saw how I could delete a whole round, or I could just click on one game and delete it. Now if I go and look at the schedule, and if it's not, let's see, this is 2008. So I want to look at 2009, so I'm going to look at my schedule for 2009 just to show you that page. And this is my U10 First Division, and here's my games, and since we haven't put them on a field yet, it's simply a game list of who's playing who. And here's my 2 final games, Group A number 1 versus Group A second, and Group B first place against Group B second place. So that's how I can, an example of how I can create a unique template.